In the vast expanse of our solar system, Earth and Mercury orbit the Sun at different distances and speeds. But what if these two worlds, seemingly so distant, were on a collision course? Mercury, the smallest and innermost planet, has a diameter of about 4,880 kilometers, while Earth measures about 12,742 kilometers across. If a collision were to occur, the impact would be catastrophic. First, let's talk about the impact. Mercury travels at an average speed of about 47.87 kilometers per second, almost twice as fast as Earth's average orbital speed. This means the collision would be incredibly violent, with a force equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs going off simultaneously. In the aftermath, Earth's climate would be severely affected. The atmosphere would be filled with ash and dust, blocking sunlight and plunging the planet into a nuclear winter. Temperatures would plummet and many life forms would struggle to survive. So Mercury, being much smaller, would likely be fragmented or absorbed by Earth, adding to the chaos. The combined debris would contribute to a ring of particles around Earth similar to Saturn's rings, but much more dangerous. Fortunately, this scenario is purely hypothetical. The orbits of Earth and Mercury are stable, and such a collision is virtually impossible given the laws of physics and current orbital dynamics. But exploring these extreme possibilities helps us understand the fragility and complexity of our cosmic environment. So, while Earth colliding with Mercury makes for a thrilling thought experiment, we can rest easy knowing our planet and its neighbor are safely maintaining their cosmic dance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cosmic what if, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more fascinating space content.